Never had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
High volume. High volume. High
Never
volume.
had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do some perm rods. This is my first time doing perm rods on my locks, and I am using Fav Wrapper Mousse from the Brat collection from the Kaleidoscope brand. And I actually am really obsessed with Brat's collection. I received 5 or 6 products from her collection. It was the Brat collection bundle, and so far I'm loving each product. This is my first time using the mousse, and I'm just so excited to see how these perm rods are going to turn out. So if you don't know, I have 75 locks. So this pack is from Amazon. 36 rods come in the pack. So I ended up having to get 2 packs, and that came up to like 72. But it worked out. I don't know how. So yeah, I'm just super excited to see how these are going to turn out. And your girl about to be curly Sue, okay? I just really hope that they hold and stay, because I've seen a lot of people saying if you don't dry them properly, they won't hold the curls. So I'm just trying to make sure I don't put too much mousse and that my hair is completely dry before I take them out, because I'm super excited to see the outcome. So I'm trying to just be patient and let them percolate, Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I tried to start rolling from the bottom, and that was a fail. So I rolled from the root, and it works better from the root, but it still was a challenge. I had to keep redoing some of them because they just wouldn't stay. And yeah, but once I got the content, once I got the what's the word? Once I got the technique down, I was like, okay, I'm a professional at this. I'm going to do this in no time, no problem, no more hassle. When I tell you this took so long, this took longer than I really imagined. My arms were about to fall off. So this better be worth it. Okay? It just better be. See, look, I had to keep undoing it, redoing it, undoing. Girl, I was getting annoyed, honestly. 3 hours later. No, but seriously, so when I when I finally got the technique down, I just continued to do it all over my head, and I didn't even realize that I stopped recording, so you can't even see the final product or final whatever you want to call it while I was actually doing it. But once I got in the mirror and looked, I had to record because it was just so funny. I really look like somebody auntie with those perm rods in my head. But overall, I think it's going to be so cute, and I can't wait to show you guys the final look. And yeah, so I hope you liked the video, and I hope it was helpful. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or leave it in the comments. I am here. You're doing it on purpose, baby. That the surface, baby. You don't like me with my that song lives rent free in my head, but this is just so funny to me. But actually, it's kind of cute. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2. Love you. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like